Hey, how you doing? So, just a little thing here. I was up north camping, and of course after I packed it up and I was coming down the hill, I hit a rock just enough that I bent that thing. This thing. This is this little stabilizer leg, or whatever you want to call it. This is not actually the one, but I bent it, and you can order them online. This is the one that I broke. So it's got 2 bolts in the back and 1 at the front. So I've replaced it. You can buy them on Amazon through an American Amazon, but it will come to you in about a week. It gives you 2 of them in a package. Looks like this. You can see that. Like I said, you get 2 of them. This is the, I'll get back on the light here. This is it all wound up, but it does fit perfectly on the pop-up trailers. I got a Jayco 14 HW high wall from about 2007. And sometimes you hit the rocks and you bend these things. It doesn't come with the feet. The feet you can buy separately, but if your old one's still good, you can use a foot off the old one and put it on the new one. I'll try to get a look at my new one, because my new one is kind of bent, but it's in the bushes here. That's a new one. Fits on perfectly. I use the old footing here. It's a little bent, but it seems to be flattening out. Everywhere you look online, they sell the scissor jacks. I like these better because they're actually attached. And the bolt pattern is the same. So, good luck.